Okay, here we are, the Coco de Mer Hotel on Praslin in the Seychelles. We're in room 445, so I think 4 at the start is the block, and then room 45. So just go in. This is a standard room, so the standard rooms are basically higher up on the resort, but it does mean that you get a sea view, as we'll see in a minute. You've got this funny kind of open bathroom arrangement. There's a quite a nice big bath there, shower, toilet, cubicle. It looks nice and romantic, but of course you can hear everything your partner's doing on the toilet, which is not ideal. Anyway, so we've got a separate sitting area here. It's a bit of a mess because we've got the cushions down there at the minute, but it's quite nice having a separate sitting area. Got the view out of this window here. We're the kind of end terrace room, so you've got the path coming up there. There's a room again, and then we've got a very nice balcony. We'll go through. You've got this bed type of arrangement here. You've got a rack there for drying your clothes, and then there's a couple of the on deck style chairs, and then I think we're probably the highest room block here, so we've got an absolutely cracking view over the sea. You probably can't see them, but there's some fruit bats up in that tree there that eat the mangoes in it. They make a bit of a racket sometimes in the night when they're having a fracas. You can just about see the pool down there, some of the main buildings, and you can also see the pier. It's got some white pods that you can sit on and an infinity pool. We'll have a look at in a separate video. So there we go. It's a very good sea view for a standard room. It's pretty impressive. I don't really feel you need to upgrade. And there's a fish pond just down there.